Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Deburu, and today we're gonna create a brand new account on ClickBank. So let's start it. Alright, in today's video we're gonna go through the process of how to sign up for a ClickBank account. So it's gonna be a short video just to actually show you what kind of informations you need to provide to be accepted by ClickBank. So let's go to the first slide, which is this one. So first, obviously, you're gonna need to go to clickbank.com website, where you will click create account on the right top corner to start the process. So let's have a look through which steps you're gonna need to go to finish the process. So let's go to the second slide, which is this one here. So to sign up for a new ClickBank account, you will need to go through this 3-step process. So you have 3 steps to go through. So the first one is personal information, the second one is banking information, and the last step is account information. So we're gonna go through each of these one, and the first one here on the screenshot on the left side is the first step, which is personal information. So let's go through. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is to choose your language, which in this example is gonna be English. So then you're gonna need to put the country where you are from and all the basic personal information, like first name, last name, your street address, postal code, state if you have it, and then city, phone number, and your email address, which is pretty simple. And when you do that, you're gonna click next step button here below, and you're gonna go to the second step, which is banking information. So let's have a look to that one. So here you're gonna need to provide 3 informations, and these are payee name, so that's from your bank account, bank name, and banking country. So they don't need your credit card or debit card information here yet. You're gonna do that later on in your account settings. They just need these 3 informations. And then the last step on this banking information is to review the client contract. So that's mean the terms and conditions from the ClickBank. To be able to actually check the mark where it says I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, you're gonna first need to click on terms and conditions, where you're gonna be redirected to another page, which is this one on the right side. So here you're gonna need to go through the entire terms and conditions, just scroll down all the way to the end, and then come back to the banking information step, and then you will be able to check the mark I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. And then the last step here on this page is gonna be to click next step on the blue button. So let's jump to the last slide and let's have a look what you will need to do. So here you're gonna need to actually create your nickname and your password for your account by following their guidelines. So you're gonna need to have at least 2 uppercase letters, 2 lowercase letters, 2 numbers, and at least 2 special characters. And the last thing you're gonna do on this last step, you're gonna click create account on the blue button. And that's pretty much it to create a new account with ClickBank Marketplace. It is pretty simple to follow these steps, but we just wanted to show you what kind of information you need to provide to be accepted by ClickBank. Hope you enjoyed today's video. So thank you for watching again, and see you tomorrow with a new video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.